Hey, welcome to Correct Country Cooking. I'm Ben. I'm here today to show you how to make butter. You can make it at home. It's not too hard. Just need a couple ingredients and a food processor and cheesecloth and a strainer and a bowl. Well, other than that, that's all you need. 3 ingredients. Need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of buttermilk, teaspoon of salt. You will need a food processor. You can find these pretty cheap online. Even the expensive ones are only a couple $100 for a good one. I do recommend you get it. There's so many things you could do with them. And let me put the blades in this and we'll get going. All right. Put in your heavy whipping cream. Your buttermilk, your salt. Now you're gonna turn this on and let it go for probably 10 minutes or so to make the butter. Alright, at this point, it's actually been only 5 minutes. All the fat's separated. We can take the top off, pour it into a fine mesh strainer with cheesecloth over the top of it. You're going to need a cheesecloth because you got to wring out all the liquid so it's not too watery. Alright, we'll do that right now. Just be careful, the blade's in there. You don't want to hurt yourself. Tap all of it off the bottom. Get a rubber spatula if you need one. Just work the rest of the stuff off. Put it in a bowl to drain. And then take the blade out. Alright, this is what it'll look like. It'll be loose, like that, pretty wet. So you want to take the cheesecloth like this, pull the sides up, and you're going to want to wring that out. You can see the liquid come out of that. Start at the top, just keep working it. You want to get all that out. You'll actually see the butter start to come through the pores of the cheesecloth. And usually once that happens, you've gotten as much water as you're going to get out. The rest of it will come out when you're cooking. That's why butter foams when it's in the pan. It's the water evaporating out of it. Once you wringed out all the liquid out of the cheesecloth and butter, you want to open the cheesecloth up. This is what you got. It'll look something like that. You're going to want to put it in the middle of the saran wrap here, then roll it up like this, and you're going to want to twist the edges like that. You know, you can form it into a better roll if you want. Now you're going to take this, put it in your freezer or fridge, let it firm up for a little bit. Alright, this is what you're left with. Now we just gotta find something to put it on. Alright, I lightly toasted an English muffin. I'll show you guys how to make English muffins in another video, and breads and all sorts of stuff. Barbecue, I do a little bit of everything. But now we gotta try this butter. Alright, let's give it a shot. That's really good. The buttermilk, it adds so much to the butter. You can't get that in a store. It's so good. Like I said, guys, not that hard to make. Just need a couple ingredients, a couple tools. You can do it yourself at home. Like I said, if you like this, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'll be doing more videos throughout the year, and I appreciate all the support.